We guide you through how to install and use ChatGPT on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open the App Store, tap the search bar, type ChatGPT, and make sure you select the official app by OpenAI, then tap Get and wait for it to install. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your email, Google, or Apple ID, or log in if you already have an account. And after that, you'll land on the main chat screen where you can start typing any questions, requests, or tasks you need to help with, just like messaging someone. You can ask for writing help, ideas, translations, or even step-by-step guides. And to get better results, be specific with your prompts. You can also tap settings to customize things like voice, history, and preference.